Hi! In this video you learn how to add a truck as an owner, operator, or a driver. So, open the TRX Driver app with your account logged in. On the home screen of the app, click on the Add Truck button. On the Add Truck screen, carefully provide details for the truck. Click on the Add button. Your truck has been added. If you want to edit your trucks, click on any of the trucks. Click on the pencil icon to edit the truck. On the Edit Truck screen, you can change any of the details. Click on the Update button to save new details. You are done. The next step is to submit a service request. Stay tuned for more information videos.